Hi guys, welcome to Spread. This is Pooja here. I'm a co-founder of Spread. In today's video, we are going to talk about micro-influencing and its power. We share weekly marketing updates, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. We are surrounded by creators, marketers, influencers on all over the social media. People are involving more and more to the social media, and that's the reason that influencer marketing industry is growing like never before. If we just talk about like 2020 year when pandemic hit, since then we have 240 plus platform and influencer marketing companies are growing, and the number is increasing day by day. Let's talk about micro influencing and its power and lot more details which you should know being in the influencer marketing industry. Now let's talk about influencers. I think all of us knows who are influencers. They are creative minds, people who follow some particular passion niche, maybe single or multiple niche for a particular domain or industry. These people know that what do they want and what are their audience. Influencers can be anybody, like you can be a biker, baker, illustrator, dancer. All they need is they should be possessed about the passion that they want to follow, and they understand the value of community. There are different categories of influencers out there, mostly based on number of followers, like nano, mega, macro, micro, celebrity influencers. We are going to talk about a particular category whose followers count falls under 10k to 50k. Even according to Financial Express, 82% of the people are most likely to follow the recommendations of people suggested by micro influencers. Some key aspects of micro influencers are quality of being loyal, authentic, genuine, and who have a strong support network. How do they achieve that? By consistent posting, knowledge sharing, and having a great audience base with a relevant niche. Also, micro influencers have been working for a quite long time for a particular niche and specific audience. Thus, that makes them a synonym of particular niche and domain that they are working on. Now let's talk about how micro influencers are bringing the positive change in the influencer marketing industry. Micro influencers hit different chord with their audience. If you ask me why, well, there are multiple reasons. Firstly, they have very specific niche and passionate audience for that particular user base. They love their recommendations more than any random newspaper article or ad, right? They have followed them by choice because they love that micro influencers content. So they are not going to just consider it as a normal ad, but they will be seriously looking forward for their recommendations and suggestions for anything, anytime, anywhere, right? Now let's talk about how these micro influencers are changing the industry strategies. There are 5 aspects that we can put up. Content quality. Micro influencers are always going beyond the limit and putting their extra when it comes to creating a content and sharing out with their audience. Having a specific niche and interest about particular domain will make this content quality to another level. Content authenticity. This comes with a experience and having a learning from continuous engagement from the audience. How do they do that? They know that what their audience like and didn't like. They are being very real and authentic to their audience and try their best to put out the best content form possible from their end. And that's how they create the authentic content, by being real, and it is much more authentic than the mega or a celebrity influencers, because they have particular niche specific interest, passion and audience. Content engagement rate. According to one survey and research from Forbes.com, micro influencers can achieve and boost the engagement rate on social media 80% more than the usual. This is much higher than what macro influencers can achieve. According to these numbers and facts, now it's time for you to think and invest time and efforts in influencer marketing and see the magic of it. Improved content reach. Micro influencers can make up to 57.8% from Instagram when it comes to influencers earning. Therefore, brands have to go through all different influencers and choose the right influencers who is the best for their brand. This can make this process a bit tedious, where Spread can help you to find right influencers for your niche and business. This easily can be done by just signing up on Spread. You can check it out on spread.io. Marketing cost. Micro influencers are less expensive than mega and macro influencers. For example, if the marketing cost of any campaign per cost engagement is 3 rupees, then the campaign cost will be 6 rupees. Brands should take this advantage, and by investing less, they can gain more benefits from micro influencers. So that was all it. Micro influencers range between 10k to 50k followers, and they have a very authentic and genuine audience base and engagement rate, which brands should take a benefit from. Being a successful range of influencers, micro influencers can benefit brands from in a multiple ways. Being a marketing nuance and having a unique selling point for the particular niche and business, they are ruling the market. You should try it. Let me know that are you willing to try influencer marketing with micro influencers in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.